Both hands have to be on?
For now, yes. Now, Janelle, are you set?
Oh, yeah.
Do all of you have a good grip of your key?
Yeah.
Very good, because the competition begins now.
Hey, Julie.
Yes, Mike?
You remember Richard Hatch?
Yes, I do.
They both have to take me to the finals.
What? Told you, Janelle.
What?
You got down.
You can't take each other. You have to take me. You won't make that big a mistake. You won't. You did the smartest play ever tonight, Janelle. You can't make that mistake. You can't take her.
I wasn't going to.
I'll play in part 2.
Janelle, we can't take him. He played us too hard this whole game.
I'm hanging on. I don't care.
She's gonna try to make deals with you. Think about all her friends, too.
Turn to the backyard. All right, ladies, listen up. Janelle, I just saw it again. I'm sorry, but you did not have both hands on your key for the entire time. So we have a clip, and we just saw it again live play out. So, Erica, the good news for you is that you are the winner of round 1 of the 3-part HOH final competition. So congratulations to you.
When did I take my hands off? I didn't.
We're going to stand by at 60.